10 मिनट में 25 आइटम्स करने के लिए क्या आप तैयार हैं? अगर हाँ, तो अपनी पलकें 10 मिनट तक मत झुकाइए और मैं आपसे वादा करती हूँ कि चाहे मुझे कोई भी कहानी क्यों ना बतानी पड़े, चाहे मुझे बार-बार आपको रिवाइज़ क्यों ना कराना पड़े, कुछ भी करा के मैं 25 आइटम्स आपको तैयार करा दूँगी। तो तैयार हैं आप सभी लोग? अच्छा, एक बात और, जैसे आपने सारी वीडियो को बहुत सारा प्यार दिया, इस वीडियो को भी खूब प्यार करिएगा। जैसे आपको लगे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा और इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा बहुत ये इंग्लिश क्लासेज को। जितना ज़्यादा आप वीडियो शेयर करते हो, जितना ज़्यादा आप कमेंट करते हो, उतना ही मेरे पास नए नए आइडियाज़ आते हैं कि चलो ये भी लेके चला जाता है। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये सब कुछ आप पे डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा आप मुझे बताएंगे तो मैं और भी नई नई चीज़ें आपके लिए इनोवेट करके लाऊंगी। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट है चिकन हार्टेड। When someone is too timid or coward to do something, जब कोई कुछ करने के लिए बहुत डरपोक या कायर हो। He could not show his report card to his father as he is chicken hearted. Laugh in their sleeps. To laugh quietly and secretly at others' mistakes. दूसरों की गलतियों पर चुपचाप और चुपके से हंसना। One of my colleagues came in strange attire and everyone was laughing in their sleeves. While away. To spend time doing something happy. कुछ सुखद करने में समय व्यतीत करना। We whiled away walking around the garden yesterday. Next है throw cold water on someone's pleasure. To be negative about someone's happiness. किसी की खुशी के बारे में नकारात्मक होना। His friend threw cold water on his adventure by boasting about it to everyone. Next, stop short of something. When your works stop midway due to some circumstances. जब किन्हीं कारणों से आपके काम बीच में ही रुक जाते हैं। Due to lack of time, my answer stopped short of a paragraph. Next, to be in a fix. To be in a difficult situation. कठिन परिस्थिति में होना। He was really in a fix when the missed his flight. To build a castle in the air. Unrealistic plans for the future. भविष्य के लिए अवास्तविक योजनाएं। My friend was building a castle in the air of getting good marks in the exam without doing any hard work. Next, cast an evil eye. Looking at someone in not a good way. किसी को अप्रिय तरीके से देखना। Cast an evil eye is a superstition believed by many people. Next, to beat around the bush. To talk something unimportant instead of coming to the main topic. मुख्य मुद्दे पर आने के बजाय व्यर्थ की बात करना। Please speak up about what is the matter with you instead of beating around the bush. Next, we all ears. Eager to hear something and listen attentively. कुछ सुनने और ध्यान से सुनने की लालसा। The teacher instructed her student to be all ears in the classroom. Next, birds of a feather flock together of people with similar interests, like and dislikes go along with each other. समान रुचि या पसंद नापसंद वाले लोग एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ते हैं। Both the neighbors are like birds of a feather flock together. Why and why? When something happens slowly or takes a long time. जब कोई चीज़ धीरे धीरे होती है या उतना ही समय लेती है. Why and why all your problems will find a solution. Next, cover a lot of ground to discuss everything in detail. He covered a lot of ground with his topic in the seminar. Next, drop in on to pay a sudden visit. एक अचानक यात्रा का भुगतान करने के लिए. He dropped in on yesterday at the party. Next, go through fire and water to face challenges while doing something. कुछ करते समय चुनौतियों का सामना करना. We had to go through fire and water to save our friends from the picnic spot they were stuck in. Next, have one's way. When someone does things despite other people not liking it. जब कोई अन्य लोगों को पसंद न आने के बावजूद भी कुछ करता है. There are some people who don't listen to what others are saying and always have their way. Next, fall in with. To harmonize with or accept someone's wishes. किसी की इच्छा के साथ तालमेल बिठाना या स्वीकार करना. His mother fell in with his wish to go on a vacation this year. Next, empty vessels sound much. People who talk lot tend to be not much talented or knowledgeable as they often show to the world. जो लोग बहुत अधिक बात करते हैं वे अधिक प्रतिभाशाली या जानकार नहीं होते हैं जैसा कि वे अक्सर दुनिया को दिखाते हैं. Everyone says she is not very smart because she constantly talks about her knowledge and as it is said, empty vessels sound much. Next, catch the evil eye. The superstitious belief of being harmed by an अनप्लीजेंट स्टेयर. अप्रिय घूरने से नुकसान होने का अंधविश्वास. His parents were worried about him as they thought he caught the evil eye. Next, it takes two to make a quarrel. Two people are responsible for an argument. One cannot blame it entirely on the other person. एक तर्क के लिए दो लोग जिम्मेदार हैं. कोई इसे पूरी तरह दूसरे व्यक्ति पर दोष नहीं दे सकता. Julie and Rita are not talking to each other and Julie says it is all Rita's fault but it takes two to make a quarrel. Next, barking dogs seldom bite. People who talk too much or threaten a lot don't possess the power to do anything. जो लोग बहुत अधिक बात करते हैं या बहुत धमकी देते हैं उनमें कुछ भी करने की शक्ति नहीं होती. The good in the town threatens everyone but never does anything as barking dogs seldom bite. Tit for tat. When a person takes revenge on the other person because the person has done something similar to him. जब कोई व्यक्ति दूसरे व्यक्ति से बदला लेता है क्योंकि उस व्यक्ति ने उसके जैसा ही कुछ किया है. Never wrong anyone as the circle of life